Hello, brothers and sisters. I want to talk about the topic of why I always go to nature and try to connect to the nature element. And this is a broad topic. I'll try to make this like 5 to 10 minutes. And I every time I go to nature because of the temperature as well, it's cold, the water is fresh. You start to feel the nature. And so once I'm in nature it's natural. Sometimes because maybe in the concrete jungle, in the city places, there's a lot of establishment. The rat race is there. People are moving all the time, trying to earn for a living. People staring at you, trying to wait if you're gonna buy something. But in nature, you don't feel that kind of stress. You just feel at ease. You feel at home. You feel blessed. You won't get those downloads usually when you're in the city places. As much as I wanted to, you know, we have homes in the city places. But I realized once I'm there, and even if I try to make good content, there's not much download coming in compared to when you're in nature. Maybe because of the temperature, maybe because the oxygen is good, it's healthy, maybe because I like solitude. There's a lot of things that piles up that makes nature feel so blessed to be here to make my contents. And even if I don't do contents this is my happy place. Solitude. I don't feel alone when I'm in here. It doesn't feel like you're alone. Sometimes I feel more happy when I'm in nature compared to being with friends or with family. This is the time for me this is my me time. This is my time to be alone and to enjoy myself, to spend time with myself. Because all those people, even your family, those are temporary. I mean, your family is there until your life, until their death. But after their death, who's the last thing, the most important thing? It's you, right? It's you. You are the blessing, my brother. I hope you understand that. And I hope that you can find time, find some space, some solitude to be with the elements, to be blessed. Because that's the most natural part. Natural. Nature. Nature. Blessed and love, my brother, as always. Peace.